Hey everyone, how are you? I'm Heather. This is Winston. I'm a yoga teacher. I'm a mom. I have a couple of minutes to practice, and I want to invite you to join me for my mom minutes. It's okay if you're not a mom, but if you're a mom, if you're a caregiver, you know, sometimes you only have a couple of minutes to do something. So don't do the laundry. Don't do your dishes. Right? Let's do a couple of minutes of yoga. Let's practice together. Come on into your downward facing dog. And we'll get right into it. And if you want to start in child's pose, you can start in child's pose. Set your hands and set your feet. Set your gaze or close your eyes. And then right away, start to tune into your breath. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Take a big inhale. And a big exhale. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. And then if you want to add in some movement in your downward dog, you might gently, intentionally walk out your dog. Maybe you shake your head a little bit so you can loosen up your neck and your shoulders. And stay tuned into your breath. But tuning into your breath doesn't mean you have to tune out everything else that is going on around you. It's just a shift in attention so you can be in everything that's going on around you. Be in your home, right? Be with your family. Be where maybe there's a degree of chaos. And you can let all of that be while you shift your attention. Feel your hands, feel your feet. Together, let's take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take one more big inhale. And as you exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand, come on up, lift and reach. Fold forward, exhale, empty it out. Halfway lift, inhale, hands to your mat, step back to your high push-up, set it up. Forward and halfway down, low push-up. You can drop your knees or come all the way down. Upward facing dog, couple of breaths. Maybe you work with the cobra or a low cobra. Feel your hands on your mat. Even feel your hands on your ground if you're not on the mat. And then take a peek over your right shoulder. Take a big breath in. And a breath out. And then bring your gaze to center and take a peek over your left shoulder. Again, a breath in. And a breath out. And then come on back to center, back to your downward facing dog. Take a long breath in. And a big breath out. Take another big inhale. Exhale. Step or jump to the front. Find your halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale. Fold. Now walk your feet wide, outer edges of your mat. Come on down into your squat malasana. You can stay higher, elbows on your knees. You can sit really low. You can sit on a block, some kind of a prop. Draw your hands to your heart. Toes can turn out a little bit, and you might be up on the balls of your feet. Let your chest lift here, really drawing your spine into your body so you're not rounding your shoulders. Low belly draws in and up. Keep your toes soft. Soften your face. Check back in with your breath. Tune into your breath. Big inhale. Big exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Here in your squat, in your malasana, let your left hand reach out and beyond your left toes. Your left arm presses into your left knee, and then open to the right. Take your right arm up to the sky. A little bit of a spiral here, a little bit of a twist. Shoulders stay soft. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release, and switch it up. Right hand out and beyond your right big toes. Right arm presses into your right leg. Left arm goes up and back. Keep your hips low if you can. Let your heart lift. Soften your shoulders. Soften your shoulders. A little bit of a gentle rinse here. Take a big breath in. Exhale, both hands come down. Lift your hips. Walk your feet closer together or to touch. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, all the way up to stand. Rise up, reach up, lift up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, hands to your mat. High push up to low push up as you exhale. Upward dog, take a breath in. Downward dog, breath out. Take a big inhale. And a big exhale. And then come on down to your knees. You can sit back on your heels. Hands on your legs or hands to your heart. Pause just for a moment. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Once more. Deep inhale, fill up, a little bit of tension. And then as you exhale, soften your face, your shoulders, soften your heart. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Mom Minutes, when you only have a couple of minutes to yourself, really. I hope that this was helpful. I hope you feel like you have a little more space now. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing more of this to you, and hit the bell so you get notified when new Mom Minutes come out. I'm Heather. I'm a mom. I'm the Bent Yogi. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care of yourself so you can take care of others, and I'll see you on your mat.